In this video, I will show you how to use, how to connect, how to insert a micro SD card in your Samsung Galaxy A11. So let's get started. Many people may think that this is the SD card slot over here or the one on the bottom. At least this is what I thought because it's exactly the same size as a micro SD card, but it is not. The actual slot is located on the left side, right over here. You will need a SIM eject tool like this one. It comes included in the box, but if you have lost yours, just take a needle, insert it in the small hole and push gently. This will unlock the tray that you can now remove using your fingers. Here we go. Take the tray, and if we take a look, the micro SD card will go right over here in the bigger slot. So to do it, you simply have to align it. And I don't know if you notice, an SD card has a very specific shape with a small notch over here, and then it goes smaller. Well, you need to line this up. Well, you need to line them with the tray, just this way. So you see the hole is over here, and I can see the label on the SD card. Take the small tray and gently put it back and press and make sure it's flush. Once this is done, you need to open My Files. Okay, My Files. This is an app that comes included with your tablet. You don't need to download anything. Drag down from the lower portion of your screen. You may have to do it multiple times. Here we go. And tap on the search bar and type My Files. Here we go. Open it. And now on the left side, you should see your SD card appearing. The SD card needs to be formatted in exFAT or FAT32. If you input an SD card that is another format that the tablet is not able to read, it will simply give you a message, usually over here, that the SD card is not compatible and you need to format it. So if I tap on my SD card, I'll be able to see exactly everything that is on it, all the folders, all the pictures, everything. If you want to transfer a file from the SD card to your tablet or from the tablet to the SD card, go in the folder and find the thing you want to transfer, tap the three dots on the top right corner, click on Select, select everything you want to transfer with a blue check mark, tap on Copy. And right now this was on the SD card, and if I want to transfer this on the tablet, I'll click on Internal Storage, select which folder you want to transfer these, and click on Copy here. You're going to get a confirmation message. So once you're done and you want to remove the SD card safely, what you need to do is to go over here, select your SD card, and now tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select Unmount. You're going to get an unmount message. Here we go. It's at 0, you see? And now it's totally safe to go open the tray and remove the memory card. Nothing will be lost this way. If you found my video helpful, take a moment and comment down below. Subscribe, check my Amazon links if you don't have an SD card and you want to purchase one. Every time you go through my links, I get a very small commission and it's helping. Thanks.